Welcome everybody to another video. We just barely crossed into Tucumcari, New Mexico along Route 66, and we were welcomed by a site that is an abandoned Shell gas station. Let's take a look inside if we can, shall we? Well, it's completely locked. Looks like we won't be going in there today. As you can see, it's been completely boarded up. And up there, Food Mart. The window's been busted in. There you go. Here. I want to save the time for them. So over there, as you saw, that was the actual Shell gas station. But over here, according to the sign, we're entering the Hell Truck P. This is where the trucks would have come and done their stuff. But we're not going to go inside. Let's just take a peek.
Oh, you expect a giant warehouse?
That's all it is. One giant warehouse in there. This is the only one that's been opened. I wonder if Ray's truck service is still in service. And bushes and trees and little weeds and plants have continuously grown everywhere. As you can see, these warehouses are closed, unlike that last one which had been pried open. Now that's the sign of a creaky warehouse door. That's also the sign that there's a murderer in there. So I will not be going in there because I don't want to die. So that's awesome. Still at the Shell gas station, but just bigger. More gas pumps. Welcome everybody to Tucumcari, Rock, and no. All the gas pumps have been stripped, so there's nothing left. nothing left. Nothing left. Yes, I would like some diesel. Oh, I guess it's all gone. This looks to be the same as everywhere else we've gone, with glass and wood everywhere. Nothing new, just rotted out building. As I said, glass and wood everywhere. Ooh, that's a nice chair. Oh, I wouldn't want to use that toilet anytime soon. No. Someone lost their pants. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Sorry it might have been a bit shorter, but it's getting dark out here, and you know what happens when it gets dark in abandoned places. I'll leave that to your imagination, but make sure you check out the link down below in the description. You guys are the best. Keep rocking it, and until the next video, peace out, guys. Whoop.